Hey, welcome to lesson number 4. This will be a quick one. I just wanted to tell you of how to import a vector file properly on After Effects so that we can animate each and every layer. Now, you have several ways to import a file here. For example, if you go to the project panel on After Effects, we're on After Effects now, you can right click on this and go to Import and File. And here we have the vector files that we just created in the previous lessons. And for example, if I take number 5 and I import this as a footage and I click on import, it will ask me what kind of import I want, and if I click on footage, they will import this as a merge layer. So if I drop this to my timeline, you will notice that I have only one Illustrator file, so I can really animate any of these because these are united like this. So the way to properly import these files is to go and import them like this. Click on the one you want, and on import as, instead of footage, click on composition and make sure it's on retain layer sizes. Now click on import and you will have now the composition file and a folder with all the layers just like we had them on Illustrator. Now if you drop the composition here on your timeline, of course you will have a single composition, but if you double click on it, you will have all our layers just like we had them on Illustrator, which is the best thing because this way we can animate every single layer in a different way like this. So let's remove this, and what I'm going to do is to go to import file and take all of these and click on composition retain layer sizes and click on import. So I will have all the compositions and all the folders. So if you want, you can create a new folder here and call these files and just grab all the folders and take them there. So you will have only the comps right here. Now all you have to do, just take all of the comps and drop them on your timeline. Alright, now we have them all in here, and we can set the duration. Well, we can leave this on 15 seconds, but well, you can see that we have all of them right here, and now we can trim them. For example, each one of them will last 1 second, so maybe the 11 will start on 1 and like this. This can save you some time if you do it now. Just make sure that every one of these layers starts 1 second after the other one, like this. And of course the Happy New Year one will be the last one and will be over here. So we have this, and of course we have only still animations here, but that will change on the next lesson when we start animating this. So see you on the next one.